The LMI Feeder Mixer Scale is engineered to revolutionize feed management for livestock farmers and feedlot managers across South Africa, bringing a new level of precision and control to your daily operations. Achieve unmatched accuracy and efficiency in every feed mix, maximizing output, minimizing waste, and ensuring your animals receive exactly what they need. The LMI Feeder Mixer Scale eliminates guesswork, delivering consistent rations for optimal animal health and growth, no matter the size of your operation. Integrated data recording tracks every feed cycle, with seamless transferring to your PC for in-depth analysis and improved decision-making. Installation is quick and flexible. Choose between fixed or portable setups to perfectly match your farm's needs. With capacities ranging from 500 to 60,000 kilograms, the LMI system adapts to any farm size, from small family farms to large commercial feedlots. It is versatile, cost-effective, and user-friendly. No advanced technical skills required to operate. Powered by Windows-based LMi FEED software, it streamlines feed formulas, automates scheduling, and simplifies mixer data processing for total control. Boost productivity, reduce costs, and support animal health with the LMI Feeder Mixer Scale, your partner in modern livestock feeding. Contact LMI today and take the first step toward transforming your livestock feeding operation.